Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks rose Friday as investors looked to the forum of Global Central Banker meeting in Jackson's Hole, Wyoming. Key among the speeches in Jackson's Hole on Friday will be the comments from U.S. Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen. Investors are looking for indications of when the U.S. plans to increase interest rates. Australia's ASX 200 was up 0.2%, having risen as much as 4.7% in past 2 weeks amid domestic earnings news. The Nikkei 225 was up just 0.2%, after closing up 0.9% Thursday. Overnight, US stocks rose boosted by a double shot of positive US data coupled with expectations that Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen will deliver a market-friendly speech on Friday. The Dow 30 rose 0.36%, the S&P 500 index rose 0.29%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index rose 0.12%. The dollar hovered just below its 2014 peak against a basket of major currencies early on Friday, with the dollar index steady on the day at 82.146. The dollar was trading water against its Japanese counterpart at 103.82 yen, after hitting an overnight high of 103.97 inside of its April peak of 104.13 yen. The euro was also steady on the day at 1.3282. After German data helped it pull away from an 11-month trough of 1.3242 plumbed on Thursday. In commodities trading, spot gold edged up to $1,278.25 an ounce after losing 1.3% on Thursday to 2-month low as speculation about an early US interest rate hike sparked a technical sell-off after prices broke below a key support level. While today's economic data calendar is nearly empty, we are still likely to be in for a busy day. US stocks markets achieved a fresh new highs yesterday as the hunt for yield intensified ahead of what is expected to be a dovish message from the world's central bankers during US market hours. The annual symposium of the world's central bankers and economists in Jackson Hole officially begins today with key speeches from the Federal Reserve Bank's Chair Janet Yellen and the European Central Bank's President Mario Draghi. The Ukrainian crisis may be a possible source of surprise headlines, especially as investors are likely to want to adjust their portfolios ahead of the weekend. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.